Alpari Broker. Alpari is a leading broker that caters to traders with varying levels of experience, offering them reasonable conditions for active trading and investment. Alpari for beginners. One of the notable strengths of Alpari is its ability to cater to traders with different experience levels and goals. The broker offers a multitude of trading accounts tailored to meet the specific needs of beginners, intermediate traders, and seasoned professionals. Whether you are just starting out or seeking advanced trading tools, Alpari has you covered. Quality support. Another advantage of choosing Alpari is their commitment to providing high-quality customer support. Their dedicated team of professionals ensures efficient assistance to clients, promptly addressing any inquiries or concerns. This level of service is crucial, especially for traders who value reliable and responsive support throughout their trading journey. Deposit and withdrawal. Furthermore, Alpari offers a wide range of deposit and withdrawal options, providing traders with convenience and flexibility. With multiple payment methods available, clients can easily fund their accounts or withdraw their earnings. This aspect is particularly important for traders who value efficient and hassle-free transactions. When it comes to getting started with Alpari, the barrier to entry is remarkably low. With a minimum deposit requirement of just $5, traders can open a micro account and start trading in live markets. This accessibility makes Alpari an appealing choice for beginners who are looking to dip their toes into the world of trading without a substantial upfront investment. Trading platform. Additionally, Alpari offers a user-friendly trading environment, suitable for traders of all skill levels. Their intuitive platforms provide a seamless experience, allowing traders to execute trades, analyze market trends, and manage their portfolios effortlessly. This user-friendly approach makes Alpari an excellent option for both beginners and experienced traders seeking a straightforward and efficient trading experience. Trading fees. In terms of trading fees, Alpari remains highly competitive. The broker offers low spreads, particularly for major currency pairs, ensuring a cost-effective trading environment. This low-risk approach appeals to traders who seek to optimize their profitability by minimizing expenses. Alpari is a credible and trusted broker that caters to traders of all levels of experience. With its diverse range of trading accounts, efficient customer support, and convenient deposit and withdrawal options. Review and link in the description. Thanks for watching.